Hopefully Christmas trifle. Cheers.
Happy Christmas!
My name is Marko Milicevic. I cook, I travel, I eat, and my motto is always ask for more.
Happy Christmas to all of you celebrating today. Have a lot of fun with your friends and family. Enjoy today and have amazing New Year. Let's all hope it's a way better one than 2021 and 2020. Definitely. Let's hope this COVID thing will end finally and we'll be able to go back to our normal lives. And let's try and strive to do better. Let's try to do better than we used to. And everything's gonna be perfect. So today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do something different that we already do in this channel. Today we're gonna cook, and today we're entering the kitchen, but it's not gonna be a studio kitchen. It's gonna be a proper working kitchen. Our friends from Butler Catering are joining us, our team, and you're gonna see a lot of their kitchen in the episodes to come, especially in this holiday season now, and we're gonna start something new episodes and new stuff in the coming year. So today we're gonna do traditional English Christmas lunch, but Serbian style. It's gonna be a bit different than what you're used to. So come along, join me. Let's check out the kitchen.
Happy Christmas, everybody! So we couldn't find the turkey because it's Serbia. We don't do turkeys that much. But we're gonna do chicken. So we're gonna do English traditional Christmas lunch, Serbian way. We have Lazar here. He's a chef and a friend of mine. And together we're gonna do a chicken Christmas lunch. So what are we doing? Olive oil into a blender. And onion, one whole onion, water, salt, whole pepper, alright, Dijon mustard, Indian curry, coriander seeds, right, yeah, ground, and a chili pepper. We're going to do garlic as well. Unpeeled. And that's it. We're going to blend now.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
In order to chicken not to be dry, to stay moist, we're going to fill the chicken but not inside of the chicken. We're going to put it under the skin, and it's going to keep it moist. It's going to be tender and moist. Rosemary, parsley. Melted butter. A lot of salt. Handful of salt.
We're still
Add salt inside. Don't be afraid to use a generous amount of salt. However, we did add a lot of salt into the marinade, so you don't have to go wholesome on the chicken as well. And now we're gonna fill up the skin, beneath the skin of the chicken, with halfly melted butter and the herbs we cut. It would be even better if you just leave it in the marinade for at least 24 hours, even 2 days. The more the better. It's gonna be more tender, more juicy when you bake it, and it's gonna taste better. It goes inside under the skin. Pay attention, especially with the white meat, with the breast, because it's easily get dry. It's the same principle with the turkey and the chicken. Whatever poultry you use, it's the same, completely the same. And we're gonna fill it up with carrots. So we're gonna do it a bit Serbian way. It's not a traditional, typical English style roasted chicken. This one is a bit different. So we added a carrot, a whole pepper, fresh, 2 cherry tomatoes, and we're gonna close it up with lemon.
Add some salt to the potatoes, the remaining butter and herbs. And chili, coriander seeds, and the rosemary. Yeah. Potatoes around the chicken. And we're going to bake chicken slowly, 2 hours, 150 degrees Celsius. Nothing say Christmas more like a Christmas tree. So we're going to make a garlic bread sticks, but it's not going to be sticks, it's going to be a Christmas tree. We're going to melt some butter. Put it here. We already have dough here. It's just a basic pizza dough. I'm gonna add recipe to the description, and we're gonna knead the dough and we're gonna separate it to make little balls. We're gonna use mozzarella sticks, but we couldn't find mozzarella sticks, so I'm gonna make sticks myself. We have melted butter here, pecorino romano cheese, rosemary, basil. Of course you can use fresh ingredients, which we couldn't find any today, and parsley, and that's why we're using dry. I prefer fresh ingredients as always. So, garlic, pepper, and just a pinch of salt. The Pecorino Romano is already salty cheese.
We baked it at 150 degrees Celsius for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And we're gonna add the cheese and butter and garlic and herbs over. And it's going back for, I don't know, maybe 5 to max 10 minutes to get a crispy golden color back on.
So, once again, Merry Christmas. We're waiting for a chicken and hopefully Christmas trifle. Good.
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
To make it more cheerful and Christmassy.
Happy Christmas!